This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 6, 2023. It's currently February 2nd, 2023, 9:12 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally into a key resistance level on a multi-day chart, followed by a decline off of that resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. However, in the case of this reading, it looks like we may end up with a higher spike afterwards at some point here towards the end of the day. We'll have to look a little bit closer. But behavior on the highest high, we have the completion of a rally. It's nullified, meaning that there's the completion of a rally followed by some sort of decline, followed by more of a rally is my guess, based on the fact that it's nullified. Nullification, remember, when there isn't a relationship between a significator or a correlator and a timeline card, not having the absence, I should say, of a relationship is saying something in a lot of cases as well. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a move higher through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. It looks like it's probably the low is within close proximity to a local high. That's usually within a couple hours, or like a move that goes from a low to a high or high straight to a low. In this case, I think probably a local crest of some kind. So not a highest high, but a local crest of some kind within close time proximity to the lowest low. And it looks like there is a pretty big move off of the low. So we probably have like, yeah, okay. So we established support in the pre-market. It's support most likely this price level here that we dance with early morning. This is all price level like resistance here, right? Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance right around the open. There's this like movement out of a decline in the first half hour. Out of a decline, there's like this move to hit resistance anyways, possibly even breaking through resistance, and then there's a key price level that we come up against. It's important on more than just this may be more than one price level in actuality. This may be we break through like a two of swords, and then we reach a technical price level that's important on the scale more than just a one day. From there, we decline pretty notably midday off of that price level. And so this early morning price level with the multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, this price level is probably where we establish support, is probably this price level here that we have like failed attempts to break through towards the end of the day on the 3rd. That's my sense. In any case, out of that decline, there's a trade opportunity in there. This may be a day's low, or this may just be a notable trough here, but I think it's probably a day's low here. There's a notable decline offering an opportunity to open up a long position. And then we have sideways rotation, rising, meeting the nearest resistance, falling back down, continuing to rotate sideways, followed by a big move to the upside. It looks like a rally into key resistance here towards the end of the day, in that like within the last 2 hours. And then we revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity there in the last hour. So my sense is that that's likely. Let's see. That support that we revisit at the end of the day there. That's like new support, like we turn resistance into support from that move, that sun move into it. So, and we're revisiting a support level there that was recently a past opportunity. It could very well be that support level that we had at the beginning of the day. And then right around the close, we sell from an overbought. There's a sell-off from an overbought crest or peak. It's also towards the end of the day here that we have this brief peak that's easily missed. And then a decline increases with momentum moving forward in time into the post-market. We open higher the following day. That's the S&P 500 for March 6th, 2023, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. We're looking for angel investors, people that are going to take 5% of their profits and send it forward to the universe, to somebody who needs it, be their angel. Send 5% of that profits back to the channel to show your support for the channel and gratitude to the universe for the profits that you know you've made and are going to make more of. And then make sure whatever you spend that money on, you spend it out of love. As long as you do that, the universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions. You can send that 5% back to the channel here at our resources tab. PayPal, Cash App, either one works. Much appreciated, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.